Travnik is a nice day trip destination just a couple of hours outside of Sarajevo, while its location on a main transport route detracts slightly from a beautiful setting. During Ottoman administration, this was Bosnia's capital and the home of high-ranking officials known as viziers, whose tombs can be seen around the city. Travnik's tourism is mostly centered on history and geography, as it is in many Bosnian cities. The neighboring Vlasic mountain, which is one of Bosnia and Herzegovina's biggest, is ideal for skiing, hiking and tobogganing. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Vlasic is the city's primary tourist attractions due to the city's lack of tourism. Travnik is also a fascinating town to visit. Many structures from the Ottoman period, such as mosque, oriental residence, clock towers and street fountains, have been carefully maintained. The city's historic core dates from the early 15th century. Travnik is plenty with options for entertainment. This beautiful tiny city packs a punch with fantastic adventures and impressive tourist sites. Blue Water, Baba Novak, Ugar, Old Town and Devesi are just a few of the numerous places to explore in Travnik and the surrounding region. Travnik's beautiful 15th century fortress, constructed to repel Ottoman armies but completed a few years too late, is the perfect site to drink up the city's history. It's currently a great spot for a climber and offers beautiful views of the surrounding mountains. Plavna Voda, a peaceful collection of streamside restaurants where you may enjoy trout taken further upstream, located just under the castle.